Limit who can see your future posts on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your future posts on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and click on posts. And now you have the first option, which is who can see your future posts. Click on it and you decide who can see your posts each time you create a new post. And Facebook will choose the audience you choose to only see your posts. Now choose who will see your next post by click on friends, click on try it now, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.